Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 1% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.5% during the session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices edged lower as the dollar stood firm near recent highs, although trading was fairly muted, with markets looking for more cues on the US Federal Reserve's policy path after a widely expected interest rate pause this month. Jitters about global growth, particularly in China, caused the safe haven US dollar to hit multi-month highs on the Japanese yen, euro and pound, and sent the Aussie dollar down over 1.5%, as the Reserve Bank of Australia kept rates steady. Chronicle, the second largest Oracle provider that safeguards over $5 billion for MakerDAO and its ecosystem, said it is expanding outside of the MakerDAO ecosystem with a new protocol that makes oracles available on various networks, starting with Polygon.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.